Today I'll be walking you through how to hide beans. Hiding beans is a handy feature that allows you to only show beans that you want out of all the beans you have associated with your account. This way you don't need to scroll through long lists to find the beans you need. When you tap recipes, you can see all the beans associated with your account. To hide a bean from this list, tap the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Then tap Beans. Tap the bean you wish to hide. Toggle the visibility. Click Save. Now those beans are hidden. Let's do it for other beans. Toggle the visibility. Click Save. Now both those beans are hidden. Then when you go to Espresso and you click the drop-down menu, those are the beans that you want to see. And in recipes, you only see the beans you want. This makes it much faster and easier to select the right beans for your next espresso shot.